Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home and taking precautions from COVID. As you know, cases are rising day by day. So, students, last day we have discussed the topic the development of writing. We will continue with this dried in the sun. So, once dried in the sun, the clay would harden the tablet, would be almost as indestructible, okay, as pottery. So, when a written record of, say, the delivery of pieces of metal had ceased to be relevant, so the signs could not be pressed onto a tablet. Okay, so this is why tablets occur by hundreds of Mesopotamian sites, hundreds of tablets. Fine, and it is because of this wealth of sources that we know so much about Mesopotamia and we do about contemporary India. So Mesopotamia simultaneously India. Okay, about their cultures, about their writing life. So next one is by 2600 BCE. So students, 2600 BCE letters became known and language was Sumerian. Language was Sumerian. Okay, writing was now used not only for keeping records but also for making dictionaries. पहले क्या था सिर्फ records but now also for dictionaries. Okay, giving legal validity to land transfers, narrating the deeds of kings, so lands and kings, deed of kings. Okay, announcing the changes of king he had made in customary laws of land, so we can write laws all by Sumerian languages. Okay, so Sumerian, the earliest known language, as I told you, of Mesopotamia was gradually replaced after 2400 by Akkadian languages. Okay, remember this. Fine. Then writing in the Akkadian language continued to use until the first century, that far more than 2000 years. So 2000 years तक यही language चलती रही. Okay. So it was about Sumerian language, the length of the language. Next one is system of writing. So the sound that a sign represented was not a single consonant, not a single consonant. Not a single consonant, but syllables. Thus the signs that a Mesopotamian scribe had to learn ran into hundreds of signs are there. Signs. Okay, so he had to be able to handle a wet tablet and get it written before it dried. Wet to dry, wet to dry. Okay, so writing was skilled craft, writing was a skilled craft, skilled. It was an enormous intellectual achievement, conveying in visual form the system of sounds of a particular language, skill and achievement. Okay, so our next topic is literacy. So very few Mesopotamians could read and write. So very few. Very few know how to read and write. Okay. Not only was there hundreds of signs to learn, many of these were complex. Signs were complex actually. It is very hard to know. Okay. So if a king could read, he made sure that this was recorded in one of his boastful inscription. Wonderful inscription. If king want to deliver any speech, writing, wonderful inscription. should be a wonderful description because it's king, you know. So it was about literacy, writing. For the most part, however, writing reflected the mode of speaking. Writing mode of speaking. Okay. So the uses of writing or and marker. And marker is associated with organization of the first state of Sumer. So it's related to Sumer. And marker is the king of actually Uruk, the city, the great city actually. Okay, in the early days, the epic says trade was not known. So trade was not known. Trade not known. And marker wanted lapis lazuli, the great precious. So remember lapis lazuli for his temple. Okay, so that he can make it more beautiful. Okay, so that's why he sent his messenger out to get them from the chief of very distant land called Aratta. Okay, so lapis lazuli is related to Aratta. The chief has Aratta. Aratta chief has lapis lazuli and many other precious metals. Okay, students. So by night he went just by the stars, by day he would go by heaven, sun divine. He had to go up into the mountain ranges. Okay, there were mountain ranges. You know how many mountain ranges? 3 mountain ranges. Fifth mountain, sixth, total were 7 mountain ranges. He went to 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so the messenger could not get the chief of Aratta to part with lapis lazuli or silver. The king of Uruk has ordered. So what the king of Uruk, ultimately the messenger grew weary of mouth. वो भूल गया, weary of mouth. भी क्या मुझे एंड मार्कर ने ऑर्डर क्या दिया था? He just forgot, weary of mouth. So messenger could not read, as I told you. Then our marker found a clay tablet in his hand. Okay, clay tablet. To get precious metals from the king of Aratta. Fine. Then Anmarka found a clay tablet and he wrote the words down. In those days there had been no writing. Those days no writing. It was the first time in Uruk or in Aratta. Okay. So when he found a tablet, who found? The chief of Aratta. His face was frowning. Okay, frowning. He kept looking at the tablet. Looking. Tablet. Okay, this is from the topic Aratta and marker. The main topic is literacy. So next one is urbanization in southern Mesopotamia. Students, this will do tomorrow. Today we have covered the topics: the system of writing, literacy, and marker, Aratta, lapis lazuli, and many other precious metals. Thank you, students. God bless you.